Hi guys, Michael Woodward here with Team 3, the hollow cathode visualization, along with Daniel Knauss, John Stauffer, James Hollingsworth. Just want to do a quick Artifact 2 video, what we've been working on for Sprint 2 through the duration of the last 2 weeks. So really our sprint goal for this last sprint was to finalize and embed one of the scenes that we were creating using a 3-dimensional open source software and actually render it on the page. So last sprint we were actually able to embed a scene. Now this sprint we wanted to finalize one of those scenes so we don't have to come back, really contribute to the details of that and then push it onto the web application. So we were actually able to do that, which is great. Some of the code base that we added was, let me see here. Some of the code base we added, we did change some of the styling for some of the scroll bars that we had. That was just an additive bonus that we were playing around with, which was good. Let's see here. For the styling portion goes, our sponsor wanted to, this is the scroll bar buttons that we added for the additive bonus. For the styling portion, our sponsor wanted us to design like a specific color palette that was tailored to the Psyche spacecraft theme, more or less. So at the top of every CSS page, we added all of the colors that we're going to use. And then throughout all the CSS pages, we went through, like this one, added white smoke. The other background color, 302144, that was another color that she wanted us to use. So or that was provided in one of the color palettes. So we went through and changed up a lot of the colors for it. I will go ahead and show some of the changes for the colors that we went through here. Let me go ahead and run this HTML and you will be able to see it. So we did add the Psyche icon up here on the left. And then the top nav bars you can see and the bottom nav bar have been changed to fit more or less the color theme that we were going for and the Psyche team actually pertains to. So as you can see, all of the each page has the colors changed, and we're going to go through in future sprints, change up the text here and the background color in order to fit that as well. For the 3D model portion, for the sprint goal that we were actually trying to achieve, this figure 1 is going to be the finalization, the final object file that we're going to use specifically for figure 1. So I'll go ahead and load that and click on it and show you exactly what we changed. There was a box here before that kind of just encapsulated the end piece. So Daniel went ahead and spent some time and removed that. It has all the same features. You're able to zoom in, zoom out, show the current speculations of it, which is really great. And I believe I showed this in Artifact video 1, but it has all the same features. You're able to change it up and actually, look a little bit more in depth through different behaviors of the open source software, which is great features to add. Change colors, things like that. Those are additive bonuses as well. So that's kind of really what we have going on for this sprint. I'll show you what we kind of got into during the last portion of it. This is the ionization taking place inside the hollow cathode. So currently what we're working on is rendering a second scene in the application as well. And the second scene consists of the electrons moving around inside of this cathode unit. And when it ionizes at higher speeds, it creates basically what we're trying to create is a smoke visualization on the ionization actually taking place and moving throughout that cathode. So this is kind of a decent looking image of the coil springs around the magnetic coils, and then the smoke effect actually taking effect through the cathode. So we're trying to work on actually placing this into the page here with all the same behaviors as we have created on this Blender file. So I'll go ahead and play this and show you guys the smoke effect going through. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool unit. Like I said, it's just the ionization is taking place, and we're blowing those electrons through, and interacting. You know, the gas interaction taking place actually inside that unit. So that's kind of what we're working on, and maybe one of our next sprint goals is to actually place this unit inside the page, and to carry on, you know, with multiple scenes. So. That's really all I have for it. As for like how productive the sprint was really productive. Made the sprint goal, so that was obviously excellent. And you know, just pushing on through here to sprint 3. So that's really all we have as a team. You know, Cathode. Thanks for watching, guys.